Hi friend, welcome to Locust Street Cottage. We gotta make sure some bunnies have a yard day today. Let's go! So I've had an ongoing problem with the Premier One fence and using it properly so that it keeps the bunnies in. And when I say problem, I clearly mean human error. Bunnies have brains the size of peanuts. Surely I'm smarter than a bunny and can figure out how to keep a bunny contained. So this is what I'm working with today. Pro tip to you that are using Premier One fences, you can double them up because 100 feet is a lot. Over here is my secondary charger box. I had been running them both off of the same charger box, but the problem with that was Quinn could see the girlies through the fence because they were so close, and that really bothered him. So Mr. Quinn here made it his full-time job to try to challenge the fence and get through to the ladies. Because he really does only have one job here. Aside from being a cute bunny. You're so cute. Look at you resting in the sun. Are you ready for your yard day? So this is kind of a temporary setup for two reasons. One, eventually Quinn will be in the bunny ranch with the ladies. One of the reasons he could not be in the bunny ranch with the ladies is because they're not ready to breed. And also this short fence posed no challenge for him. But the girlies don't try so hard to get out, so they're pretty good around this short fence. Additionally, as I've mentioned before, the master plan is to eventually have a bunny highway that travels underground, maybe pops up right here, all of that wood's gonna go away, and then pops back out here into the chicken yard. Then we will hook the, hi ladies, hello, I see you. We will hook the large fence that is currently around Quinn's yard to this little play yard out here, and they will have access to all of this yummy grass. I'm working on it. Stop yelling at me. Oh, listen to that attitude. So for right now, what I need to get done today is let Quinn out of his hutch, let him play in the yard, and I need to clean that place out. So I got that all cleaned out. And with all the rain we've gotten, it's looking a little rough in there. So it's supposed to be 65 today, or it is 65. I brought over 2 flakes of hay, straw, not hay, straw. And I'm gonna let that dry out before I put Quinn back in bed tonight. Hi, cutie. And before I put him in, I'll just go ahead and put that straw in. Do you like this new system? Yeah, double fence makes it harder for you to get out. I forgot to mention how I closed the gaps so Mr. Quinn can't come through. I'm just using these nice little tomato clips to clip it on there, and I've got some on the other side too. And a couple hours later, Quinn is still in his yard. I am moving this rabbit bedding over here to these garden beds we have in the back, but look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that garlic. This is exciting. So here's what's going on. There's a bunch of bedding right there, and there was a bunch behind the hutch. And so I loaded it all onto the wagon, and I'm still making trips. And I'm putting it over here. I'm really trying to maximize our yard this year. What I'd like to do is use this shared fence to grow some melons on, of course, light melons. This shrubby area is going to be a little concerning. I'm going to try to reach over the fence and clean it off. The neighbors don't care. But here in this spot, I want to put potatoes. We do have one potato bed in the front, and it was not nearly enough. This will at least double our potato growing area. And I was thinking on this fence line here, growing something that, isn't too heavy, but will, grow up, I don't know, peas, or maybe if you've got some ideas, let me know about something that would grow really well on this fence line but not require much support or attention from me. Obviously, I'll have to throw the little tendrils back over the fence to keep them out of the potatoes. And it's already that time of the season to plant potatoes. So the girlies may have to wait to have their yard time until tomorrow. I'm so sorry. It just got late. You could come out and play tomorrow. Yay, the girlies did have a yard day. I got stuff cleaned up. The hutch is shoveled out. I'll be putting new bedding in there. Hey, Kitty, the door's open on the other side. I gotta pick up that extension cord. Where'd she go? It's almost time for bunny breakfast at bedtime, Kitty. Well, I got a bunch of stuff done today. Bunnies had their time outside, and I'm so glad you were able to join us. If you like what you saw, you can subscribe right there. You can watch more bunny videos right there. Bye.